you know U.S. Air Force and the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency secretly tested a hypersonic weapon system? If you don't know, then watch this video till the end and subscribe the channel and become part of military lover family. Let's start it without wasting any time. As part of a joint U.S. Air Force and DARPA project, a hypersonic weapon system was tested in the middle of March. The Pentagon, Pentech, has now released the results of the Hypersonic Air-Breathing Weapon Concept (HAWC) test to thankfully do away with any alarm in Moscow over Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Defense News reports on new weapon, the HAWC hypersonic weapon. The HAWC was released by a B-52 bomber mothership and utilizes a space rocket engine to fly at extremely high speeds. The Department of Defense's Research and Development branch DARPA has not specified the exact speed at which the vehicle reached Mach 5 speeds. Mach 5 travels at about 38-36 knots. In this 2019 video, you can see how the air-launched rapid response concept works. A typical hypersonic weapon used by the Air Force. They are typically built to capture transient targets, such as a missile launcher or a surface-to-air missile radar. Prior to their safe redeployment, the B-52 Strat Fortress served as a carry vehicle in the ARRW hypersonic weapon test, but there was no actual launch. DARPA said in a statement that the vehicle traveled more than 300 nautical miles and reached altitudes of more than 65 feet. The hypersonic vehicle was created by Lockheed Martin, and the company's iconic skunkworks division's unmistakable mascot of bushy-tailed skunk can be seen in a concept image at the top of this article. This is HAWC vehicle's second successful test. Successful tests in September 2021 also boosted confidence in Pentagon's hypersonic weapon program with a string of failures. There are several hypersonic test programs being developed by the Department of Defense, including ones for the Air Force, Army, Navy, and DARPA. After Russia declared that it had used air-launched Kenzel hypersonic weapons to strike several targets in Ukraine, hypersonic weapons gained new attention in March. Kenzel is technically a hypersonic weapon, but it also includes the Meta-Descender M short-range ballistic missile and the MiG-31 fighter to launch a Niskander M missile from the air. Aerojet Rocketdyne. Scramjet engines are used in the most recent hypersonic test vehicle from the United States. Supersonic combustible ramjet is abbreviated as scramjet. Scramjets are air-breathing engines that, in contrast to conventional aircraft engines, rapidly absorb oxygen from the surrounding air. As a result, the engine receives a vastly increased amount of oxygen-increasing thrust. The HAWC program specifics are kept a closely guarded secret by the Pentagon. The Department of Defense has only stated that the vehicle exceeded Mach 5. Its top speed has not been made public. We don't know what aircraft will carry it into battle, how far it can actually travel, or what kind of warhead the HAWC will be equipped with. The United States has once postponed a routine test at the Minute-Free Intercontinental Ballistic Missile in addition to the Hush-Hush test. The test was originally slated to take place in March, but it was postponed and then rescheduled for early April. The tests were postponed, according to Reuters, in an effort to lower nuclear tensions with Russia during its conflict with Ukraine. About every 6 months, Minuteman III tests are conducted. The latest test was carried out in September 2021. The tests are commonplace and used to evaluate the dependability of the Minuteman III force, which is America's most responsive nuclear weapon. 400 Minuteman IEDs are stationed in hardened concrete launch silos throughout the American West. This is for today. We're on the constant lookout for new and fresh information related to military. Let us know what you think in the comments section, because it helps us to keep going. Share it with your friends and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. See you at the next one.